Hello students, hi, good morning. Today we are going to learn our first lesson, that is who did Patrick's homework. This is from Honeysuckle. It is a textbook in English for class 6th. The name of lesson is who did Patrick's homework. Just before you read, discuss some questions in class. Do you like homework? Do you do it yourself or do you get help? Let's answer. Do you like homework? The first question is that, do you like homework? Yes. Some student like homework, but some student do not like homework. They like to play hockey, football, some outdoor games, some indoor games, like that. Next question is, do you do it yourself or do you get help? Yes, some student do that their homeworks or their studies by themselves, but some may need help from their parents. What homework do you usually have? That we usually have to recite our tables, to do writing, to recite our lessons, etc. So answers are differ by the student. So let's start our first lesson, that is who did Patrick's homework. Okay, we will continue from the first para. Look at that. Patrick never did homework. Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. Patrick feels that homework is too boring. He didn't like to do homework. He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. Nintendo, it is a kind of video game. Look at that word. Then he always being pleased to play hockey, basketball, Nintendo instead. He didn't like that homework. His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. If you never done your homework, you are unable to do or you are unable to learn a thing. And it's true. Sometime, look, wait, sometime he did feel like an ignoramus. He feel like ignoramus. What is mean by ignoramus? Ignoramus means a ignorant person. No one pay attention to him, like that. But what could he do? He hated homework. He was hopeless because he hated homework. He never did his homework and he feels that homework is too boring. Look at that next paragraph. Then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. One day what happened? When he came into his house, he found that his cat was playing with something. It is like a doll. And that cat grabbed that thing. He was also surprised. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll at all. It wasn't a doll at all. Then, what is it? Look at the next page. But a man of a tiny size. That thing is not a doll, but it was a man of the tiniest size. Tiniest means very small size. He had a little wool shirt. That tiniest man had a little woolen shirt or wool shirt with a old fashioned breeches. Breeches means trouser, short trouser. Look at this word. And he also had a tall hat, much like a witch's. Here, breeches and witches have similar rhymes. Look at that next line. He yelled, Save me! That tiniest man yelled, Save me, boy! Save me! Don't give me back to that cat. I will grant you a wish. In between, that tiniest man asks Patrick to save him, and he will grant a wish to the Patrick, and he promise Patrick to give him a grant. Okay, to give him a wish. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was, because he also needs that kind of help during his homework. And here was the answer to all of his problems. So he said, only if you wait, only if you do all my homeworks till the end of the semester, that's 35 days, if you do a good enough job, I could even get A's. Patrick also told that man, if you help me, I will rescue you. But what kind of help that Patrick needs? Patrick asked that tiniest man to help him in his homework for nearly 35 days. For nearly 35 days. And because of that, it means if you do my homework, I could even get A's. A's means A grades. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. Hamper means that basket in which we put all the grab things, scrap material, etc. So his face looks like a dishcloth. Dishcloth means that a cloth used for washing dishes. It is very dirty, you know that. He kick his legs and double his fist and grimace and scold and purse his lips. What is the meaning of these words? Look at that. Grimace, scold, purse his lips. It means his face had these expressions showing disgust, anger, and disapproval. It means that tiniest man was not happy. He said to himself, oh, am I cursed? But I will do it. He thought himself that, is that curse to me? But it's okay, I will do it. Okay, let's look at the third page. And true to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework. Now see what happens. As per the Patrick wish, that elves start doing his homework. Means Patrick's homework. He start complaining. He start completing his homework. Except there was one glitch. There was one glitch. Glitch means one problem. The elf didn't always know what to do. That elf never knows what to do, how to do study. He needed help every time. He needed help every time. Help me, help me. He would say. He would say always, help me, help me. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. In this way, Patrick again would help him in every way, because that elf didn't know how to do homework. And that is a glitch. Glitch means that is a problem. I don't know this word, the elf squeak while reading Patrick's homework. It means what? That while doing that Patrick's homework, that elf squeak, scream, cried out loudly and tell that I don't know this word. Get me a dictionary, please. Give me a dictionary. No? What's even better? Look up the word and sound it out by each letter. Otherwise, You first look at the words and sound it out by each letter and tell me what are the meanings of these words. He answered to the Patrick. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. Why? Because what are timetables? The elf shriek out. He didn't understand what are the timetables. Shriek? Shriek means gave a short, high pitched cry. Means loud cry. High pitch. What are the timetables? We elves never need that. We elves means that aliens type man. We elves never need that. Look at next. We never need that, and addition and subtraction and division and fractions. We never need addition, subtraction, division and fraction itself. Here, sit down beside me, he asked Patrick. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. You should guide me. Otherwise, I am not able to do all these things. Elves know nothing of human history. He tells Patrick, elves know nothing of human history. To them, it's a mystery. Look at that sentences. Elves know nothing of human history. To them, it's a mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Already he was in trouble and make shout, and now it became louder. Go to the library, I need books, he ordered. He ordered Patrick that go to the library, I need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. He ordered Patrick's go to the library, I need books, more and more books, and read them yourself. I am unable to do reading. As a matter of fact, every day, in every way, that little elf was a nag. And fact is that every day, in every manner, it was a nag. Nag means unuseful person, one who troubles someone. That is nag. So, in fact, every day and every way, that little elf became a nag. Patrick was working harder than ever, and was it a drag? Patrick was working harder than ever, and was it a drag? Drag means, look at this word, something dull and uninteresting. It wasn't a drag. It wasn't uninteresting. Actually, or in fact, it is very interesting that Patrick himself was working harder and harder. He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and bleary. Now what happened? Now Patrick himself starts studying up nights. He felt so weary. His eyes became so puffed and bleary. Finally, the last day of school arrived, and the elf was free to go. Actually, he was nothing doing. He was never helped Patrick's, but here the day arrived and he was to go free. As for homework, there was no more. Now homework was finished. So Patrick, he means Patrick, quietly and slowly slipped out the back door. And therefore what happened? Sleely. Sleely means, look at this word, secretively. Patrick sleep. Patrick got his A's. And oh, what happened? Patrick got all A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. They start praising. Wow, Patrick, you are very clever, like that. They praises Patrick and his parents. They wonder what had happened to Patrick. Oh, how could this happen? They were amazed too. He was now the model kid. Clean his room, did his chores. Core means his own works. Was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. And look at that. How change takes place in Patrick's behavior. He did his course. He was became cheerful. He never rude, and like he had developed a whole new attitude. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. At the end, Patrick still feels that that tiny man does his homework. But here, writer Carol Murray said that I will share you a secret. Just between you and me, it wasn't the elf, but Patrick had done it himself. No one helped him to do studies. Patrick himself had done his whole the homework. I think you all understood this lesson. Thank you so much.